Have you ever wondered what truly lies behind the legend of Medusa? Often portrayed as a terrifying monster with snakes for hair, Medusa's story is much deeper and tragic. Once, she was a beautiful priestess in the temple of Athena, devoted to the goddess and sworn to a life of chastity. But fate took a dark turn when Poseidon, the god of the sea, was captivated by her beauty. In an act of brutal power, he violated her in the temple, an unforgivable desecration of Athena's sacred space. Furious at Medusa for the act committed against her, Athena punished her, transforming her luscious locks into writhing serpents and cursing her with the ability to turn anyone who gazed upon her into stone. This cruel twist of fate transformed Medusa from a victim into a monster, feared and hunted by heroes like Perseus, who sought glory through her demise. Yet, beneath her terrifying exterior lay a heart full of sorrow and betrayal, echoing a powerful message about victimhood and the consequences of divine wrath. Medusa's legacy endures, reminding us that sometimes the monsters we fear are the ones who suffer the most, trapped in a narrative not of their making.